Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today I'd like to give you a review of this dress. It's almost finished. There are just a few things left to be done. We only need to cut the net on the neckline and sew buttons here. Have a look at the dress. It looks like a corset dress, but there are no corset bones in it. The dress is made of jacquard. It is close-fitting. There is a bra sewn in the bust. The bodice is made according to the 10 measurement cutting system. There is an under-bust seam here. The shoulder straps were cut together with the front. They were sewn to the back. There is a waist seam on the back and the front. There are pockets and pleats here. The most interesting detail in the dress is the bra. I've asked Natalie how to make such detail. She said that she asked the customer to bring her bra, then she covered it with a sticky tape and made a pattern according to it. This is a pretty useful technique. I wanted to understand that these are not the bra cups which are sold in the shops. This is a bra of the customer. This is the only way to make these details fit you perfectly. I've already shown you the dresses with such details. This technique is very useful. The neckline is decorated with net. The net looks beautiful on the back. The jacquard is simply overcast at the bottom. The dress is lined. Have a close look at the dress once again. It looks absolutely amazing. The bodice is close-fitting. I remind you that there are no corset bones here. Make sure that these details are perfect. Otherwise, they wouldn't fit you. It's also very important not to make any waves or folds here. Next, I'll take the dress off the dummy and put it on the table to show you its wrong side. Let me show you the back. There is an invisible zipper inserted in the center back. Notice that the bra is fastened separately. Such dress is very comfortable. You just need to fasten the bra first, and then the dress itself, just like you usually do. Next, I want to show you the dress in detail. I want you to see everything clearly. Have a close look at the wrong side of the dress. Notice that even the bra is lined. They look just like the original bra. The lining fits it perfectly. The lining doubles all the details of the dress. It's very important. Even the seams are the same. These are the pockets. Notice that the bodice is doubled with the interfacing material. It's very thin. Have a close look here. This is where the bra is stitched. The lining will be attached to the waistline. The dress isn't ready yet. Let's have a look at the back. There are still some details to be stitched here. There's not much left to be done. This is how the bra looks like on the back. It should just be fastened here, the way you usually do. There's nothing complicated here. This is how the dress looks like from the wrong side. And next I wanted to have a look at it from the right side once again. The dress is absolutely perfect. Some people tell me that I shouldn't be proud of the technique for sewing bras in the garments. Well, can you do it? It's not as easy as it seems. My girls are the amazing tailors. The work is very delicate. This is a high quality garment. Have a close look at this seam once again. This part should be absolutely perfect. There are several seams here. The underbust should fit your body perfectly. The dress is not as simple as it seems. It requires some time and hard work to make it. I'm happy that I have an opportunity to show you such amazing garments. This is a very beautiful cocktail dress. I really hope that you like the idea and that you'll try to sew similar dresses. Do not be afraid of any complicated techniques or details. I don't recommend you buying the bra cups which are sold in the sewing shops. They won't fit you that well. The best thing to do is to sew the bra you know that fits you perfectly. I really hope that you like this design. I think that the dress is absolutely gorgeous. I wanted to remember that practice makes perfect. Everything's possible. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina Paukshte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.